Local broadcast of this program was made possible in part by Bowling Green State University. Education worth celebrating. The members and friends of WBGU PBS. La Rich Toyota Subaru in Findlay, featuring a new spacious showroom and larger service and parts department. Information at toyotabob.com or 1-800-545-6885. Switch to La Rich. Wood County Implement, proud to offer John Deere equipment, parts, and service to Bowling Green State University and the agricultural community in Northwest Ohio since 1972. Locations in Bowling Green, Findlay, Gibsonburg, Ottawa, and Upper Sandusky. Information available at findlay-imp.com.
Teachers of young children must value children and families in the context of their culture, home, and community. Children thrive when early childhood professionals collaborate with families to create meaningful community connections. How can you learn to connect? Call your public television station or visit our website to find out how to enroll in classes to support parents in their child's successful development. When parents and providers work as a team, families are empowered and children develop positive social outcomes.
Capturing the history of this region since 1964. You're watching WBGU TV, Bowling Green, Ohio, a service of Bowling Green State University, supported in part by members and friends.
Local broadcast of this program is made possible in part by Bowling Green State University. Education worth celebrating. The members and friends of WBGU PBS. Ed and Jeff Roth and team of financial advisors with Raymond James Financial Services in Pettisville, serving the financial needs of clients in the tri-state area for more than 30 years. The Andersons, proud of our heritage, strong in our foundation, mindful of our environmental stewardship, focused